Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 十 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 十十 means real, true, fruit,果实，果实 fruit. Now check this sentence. We have defended the fruits of our victory. We have defended the fruits of our victory. 我们保卫了我们的胜利果实。我们保卫了我们的胜利果实。我们保卫了 have defended 我们的胜利 victory。果实 fruit。We have defended the fruit of our victory. 我们保卫了我们的胜利果实。My casual handwriting on the character 十。十 real, true, fruit, 果实 fruit. We have defended the fruit of our victory. 我们保卫了我们的胜利果实。十 Please comment any words or sentences with the character 十. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.